All right, I've been. So by now you've seen that little video I made for Easter. Uh, yeah. So I was 100% sure this was Mikey. I've got no words. Like, you can hear him. He's so mad at me because I don't want to let him outside whenever he wants. Like, bro, you know you screwed up. I do still let him out. He's gonna get a GPS collar. He's gonna get a chip. He's gonna get leash trained. So I don't have to let him out free roam. He hasn't really been leaving the yard as much, so I don't know. But the story. Michael, come here. Come on. Come on. Michael, get over here. Come on. Hey, come on. Get up here. Come on. There you go. And here we go. So, it was Thursday last week, a couple days after I got the ashes. Few days. Sleeping, it's about 7 p.m. It was kind of warm in there, so, you know, not sleeping in a lot. And I hear this meow and I wake up and I'm freaking out, like, what cat figured out his way into the cat door and is meowing at me right now? Because at that time I was still 100% sure this guy was dead. Like, pile of ashes. And I just wait, and I had the bedroom curtain down for my door because I sleep during the day. Ow, Mike, that one hurt. Ow, that. Stop with that paw. Anyways, I'm sitting there, half awake, barely awake. Ow, Mike, those claws. Pokes his head through the curtain and I'm just like, wait, this can't be real. And that's why I've taken so long to post this video and post anything on Facebook or Snapchat or anything. Because I just couldn't believe this was real. Because I was so certain these ashes were him. And he just comes right up to me, starts rubbing his face, begging for attention like he always does. He did lose a bunch of weight. He's gained some of it back. He still needs to get a vet checkup. I'm waiting to catch the male lady who had him checked out last time by her vet friend. I want to keep the same lady. Ignore that. Michael, you're messing up my glasses. But look at this guy. Where did you go? It was like gone 3 to 4 weeks, somewhere in there. And you already know how he disappeared. I don't get it. So, I guess I lied. And I guess I don't have to be sorry because you're just fine. Anyways, you want to go outside? I know. Come on. Michael. He doesn't like to use the litter box. He much prefers to go outside, so that's the biggest reason I let him outside right now. If I'm at work or gone, shopping, any amount of time I try to keep him inside. The little cat door down here, that one is always open from the outside so he can get in, but it's locked so he can't go out right now. See, I can. Not allowed, denied. But yeah, he's doing good. He doesn't beg a lot to go outside, and like right now, A lot of times he just sits there on the skid. Or he goes underneath, and I'm guessing he goes to the bathroom. But where was he? I just don't know. Anyways, this is really good news. Expect more content with Mikey. We have lots of ideas for merch. Yeah, anyways, peace out.